It's bright up there. There, see it? Blue sky. Through thin clouds. Birds are being busy from the sound of it. So, surprise, surprise, it's not pouring down rain yet. That's pretty cool. So, you all just got to see check the banana. That was yesterday. We're gonna check the banana again today. Not right now, it's not warm enough. Well, since the Lord is gonna grace us with one more nice day, we're gonna give some bees some extra sugar. But when I was digging this out of here, I thought I'd kind of give you a look at, see how it kind of pushed down into the burlap? Well, it's a little bit damp, and you know, you can see how they were kind of being able to eat the sugar, the damp sugar through the burlap. And then my screen. That's how it worked. And it's just a hair on the damp side. It's that scrap sugar I had, but we're just gonna scoop it in. I was thinking about changing the shims, but there's only 2 of them that need it, and this will be plenty. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, well, let's give the bees some backup food. I do have a question. Okay, so this is my light veil, you know, hat veil, whatever, you know. And I kind of like it for light duty stuff, you know, not having to wear the jacket, but the netting on it isn't long enough for my taste, because I'd like to be able to, you know, tuck it under my shirt or what have you, that sort of thing, and it's not long enough. And I wondered if there's anyone out there that, you know, has, you know, a short veil, light veil, or not a short veil, a light veil that isn't so short, and it would make it kind of more functional, because this doesn't hang very long. I really like one that's like about lower chest height or something. But yeah, be right back. We're gonna give them some extra. I don't know if this will be interesting or fun or not. Stupid smoke. Smoke will go out. Well, maybe that'll be an interesting perspective for you. You know what? Now I remember why it's so difficult. Well, let's see, how would I put this? The reason my videos are so crappy is I forgot how difficult it was to kind of try and set up and stage your video for what you wanted to show. But I thought we would give it a try, and it's been nothing but a pain so far. Easy, girls. I just want to give you some more sugar. Easy, girls. Come on. Come on. Go the other way. Oh, get out of the way. Yeah, I know. Just get out of the way. I want to put sugar there. That's good bees. Oh, sorry about that. We're just gonna have a good bit of nasty weather, and I want to be sure that you girls got enough sugar. There you go. There you go. Not worried about you running out now. Get out of the way. Good bees. That's a good bees. It snowed. And of course, smoke went up, but that's okay. Okay. Hi, bees. Oh, sky is falling. Sorry. Oh, sky is falling. Here. Well, look at that. I just noticed. I should go plant these. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Plant these down there today. What are they? I can't pronounce it. Yeah, that word right there. I got them last year. Oh, there's. What's that? Is that the same thing? Yep. Cool. I have to plant those down there. It looks like that one didn't make it. I got them kind of distressed, late season and stuff. And ouch. Yeah, that one didn't make it. That one didn't make it. But those three did. And a rose bush. Maybe I'll plant that up in my mother's little planter on the deck. Yeah, but there's three of them. Two good ones and one piddly one. Maybe we'll plant, yeah, I think we'll do that. Hey, check it out. I found my leftover seeds from last year. Forget-me-not. Forget-me-not. Those ones. Lupin, Marigold, Morning Glory, Morning Glory, Morning Glory, Cosmos, and Hyssop, Fissionales, and a bunch of sunflower, colorful sunflowers. That'll look cool. What's it say? 70 days bloom time, 3 months from now, 2.5 months from now. Sow in average soil and full sun after danger of frost. Sow seeds. I think we're going to still get frost. Maybe it's not time. Sow average soil, full sun, danger of heavy frost. Must have gotten those from funerals or something. Start indoors. I don't want to start indoors. So an average full sun after danger of frost. Well, I think we're supposed to get cold. Maybe I don't want to sow that yet. I guess we're gonna wait. It stopped. I was gonna say that rings when there's a storm coming. Bees are not acting like there's a storm coming. See? They're going, get to work. Make me have to go put my veil on. But everybody's flying good. So that's cool. Yeah, see? They're even more active down here. And these are my little bitty tiny colonies, so I don't know, maybe they're supposed to be that way. That one's not little bitty. Those are pretty small. Sure getting busy though. There. Ooh, there, now we got out of the way. You can see them coming all in. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Bringing home the food. Maybe they are acting like a storm is coming and that's why they're so busy. Could be, could be. They're busy too. Hi, busy bees. How are you? Well, let's go get our plants planted. There. We already have a honeybee taking a rest stop. We have a little rose. I think it's one of the small rose varieties. And two of these ones I can't pronounce. We got another one. I'm gonna find someplace else to put it. I was gonna put it there, but I think I want to get me another. I want to replace that lavender and put two lavenders there. I'd like to maybe get two more of those. They're blooming right now. Honeybees don't care, but mostly this is stuff that I'm hoping will grow up. It doesn't seem to be doing much though. But it got planted last year. We'll find out how it does this year. But I kind of want to make a hedge of it for more of a wind block. This is kind of pretty. Well, I guess if you don't pull it off, huh? It's woody. Maybe it'll grow. Probably. Guess we'll find out, huh? Find out if that piece right there grows or not. I doubt it, but yeah. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll go get some more of those and put them in right there. sure been flying though. He was running into me down over there. Guess they're socking the food away because they know it's going to be a cruddy week. Hi, honeybees. Oh yeah, she's bringing out some of that sugar that was loose. Huh? Oh well. That's cool. Yeah, we'll just go this way. Whoa! Go through the cloud. I wonder if they... Yeah, see? It's not my pollen sub. Uh-oh. There. Girls like flowers. Honeybees is girls. And honeybees like flowers. And it's not too much cooler down here than it was at the house there. Well, that's that. Blessed days, everyone. Everyone have a wonderful Lord's Day. Bye.